Hi guys, welcome back to the space. It's been a while, and in today's video, I want us to. Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys, welcome back to the space. Today, I have a piece of an advice for you guys. It's about my hair, and I want to advise all those who want to get into locks, and of course, that's not what I want to talk about. And today, I want to give a piece of an advice to folks that are trying to get into tech or people who are already into tech. There are some few things that some people don't really ask when before getting into tech, and all they do is to say, okay, I want to get into tech. What programming language should I learn if I want to be a backend engineer? What programming language should I learn if I want to be a front-end engineer? And and I don't think that's all you need to know. There are some things that you need to know that would help you once you get into tech and have already learned how to code and all those stuff. There are some things that you need to know as well so that they don't become an obstacle in your career path once you start, working with companies and, doing your own projects, working on your own projects and all this stuff. So in this video, that's what we'll be talking about, and there are just 3 points I want to talk about. I'm going to make this quick because this is more of like just mentioning what it is and just letting you know what's the best way of overcoming it, and also yeah, so let's get into it. Hi. So the first on my list is continuous learning. Here, keep in mind that technology is always evolving, and to stay on top of the trend and to stay in front of employers and recruiters, you need to always keep yourself up to date with the latest technology. Now, and if you don't do that, what happens is that you put your fellow developers in front of you to all these recruiters and employers. Okay, and aside that too, you tend to build applications with old tools that aren't efficient to the current or modern way of doing things. So you want to keep learning. Anytime there's an update to something, you want to learn it, or if a new technology comes and you see this technology is within your domain, then you want to learn it. Okay, so that's something that you need to know before, or know whilst you are in this career path. I mean tech. And then and ways to do this is to probably, when there's a whole new technology that you see this technology is within your domain, you would want to get some online courses to learn those new technology. And if it's more of like an update of the tools you're already using, mostly these tools have documentations where you can go and read the new updates and then learn those updates, and if there are things you need to learn or there are things you just need to know, and that would help. And I think so in general, continuous learning is something that every engineer, tech person would want to have in mind. Second on my list is stress. If you're already in this industry, you will notice that the industry is fast paced and very demanding. So there are a lot of people who go long hours working because they need to hit deadlines and push out features and all those things, and they go long hours working without taking a break. Now, what I have to say is that this industry is demanding, and it's going to be demanding for a long while. So the best approach to do this is to take regular breaks. Wow. So let's say you work 8 hours in a day, you would want to, take 1 hour out of these 8 hours to have some nap, like take a break from work. It could be exercising yourself or meditating, so that your mind is taken away from work for just that short period of time, and then you later come back and then continue working. That is like a very good way to release yourself from stress
Else, if you don't do this, what will happen next is the stress will then lead to burnout. And one thing I've noticed about burnout is, which happened to me some few weeks ago, is when you get tired, when you get stressed and get burned out, the same quantity of work that you usually do and you feel comfortable with it, when they give you that same amount of workload, you feel like you are being given too much, because at this point you are overstressed and you feel you are doing too much. Do you understand? And this could lead to you thinking of resigning because you think they're giving you too much work and all these things. And I experienced it. I experienced it. Sorry, man. I might not communicate that. I might not communicate the full thing to you or give the exact point, but um, I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. Yes, so that's with stress. So the next point and last on my list is complexity. Writing code can be really complex sometimes, but it's really important that you approach the process with precision and accuracy. Now, complexity comes in when probably you haven't tried out a certain feature before. Say you're able to do a normal crowd method, so add an object, edit an object, delete an object, update, all those stuff. But then in this instance, you are given a task that you have never done before, way too complex, and then you just feel like, man, this is complex. You start to overthink things, and you don't go through the right process in how to get out of a complex situation. I mean, coding, right? So what happens at this stage is that what you should do at this point is that take your time to go through and understand the task, and don't be scared or afraid to approach people on how best you could approach that code or whatever it is. Don't be afraid. Reach out to people. Go into these programmers hub. Find the best thing. First thing, reach out to people. Search online. Don't sit by the code and stress yourself trying to figure things out, trying all kind of codes out, which ideally is not the case. You just need to search online or reach out to people. That's how best you could approach complex stuff at your workplace or even on your own project. So guys, that's all I have to say for this video. There are other points out there, that there are other things out there that you still need to know. I didn't want to make this video too long, but if you feel like we need to go in more on this, let me know in the comment section. As always, I always reply to any message that comes in, so just drop your message and then I would reply you, or if it requires me to do a video, I'm gonna do that. If it's your first time on my channel, you're welcome, and I would like you to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you later.